Hey, what's up, XLM user? Today is a very good day. Today is a day of XLM. This is absolutely good. You can see here the change of XLM 1.21%. Absolutely going good. And you can see here the highest change of XLM. This is absolutely good. 0.3. And I hope today they cross easily 1 USD. They easily cross 1 USD. This is XLM price predication. You can check here. This is the just last 1 hour result, but if we can see here the last 2 hour result, I hope the last 2 hour result they also going they give a good result. I'm also a XLM holder, therefore I'm so happy. I'm very excited for this good news. Oh my goodness, in the last 1 hour this is very bad result. You can see here the change of minus 0.83%. Absolutely bad news for XLM holder. This is I think buying time for XLM holders. But if we can see here the highest change of XLM, this is absolutely good. This is absolutely good. Keep watching ABS Tech channel. Subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I give you my brothers who has the holder of XLM, who has the holder who has used XLM. I give you latest update. Just subscribe ABS Technical channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.